Blizzards and snowstorms are extreme weather events characterized by heavy snowfall, strong winds, and reduced visibility. They can lead to hazardous travel conditions, power outages, and even life-threatening situations. Here are 10 of the most dangerous blizzards and snowstorms in the world, along with key details and impacts. 1977 Great Lakes Blizzard, USA and Canada. Details: the 1977 Great Lakes Blizzard, also known as the White Hurricane, brought heavy snow and strong winds to the Great Lakes region of the United States and Canada. Wind-driven snowdrifts reached as high as 30 feet, leading to widespread transportation disruptions, stranding thousands, and causing several deaths. 1888 Great Blizzard, USA. Details: the Great Blizzard of 1888, also known as the Great White Hurricane, affected the northeastern United States. With heavy snowfall and hurricane-force winds, the storm resulted in hundreds of deaths, massive snowdrifts, and significant disruptions to transportation and communication. 2008 China Snowstorms. Details: in 2008, a series of snowstorms and blizzards struck southern China, affecting millions of people. The storms caused transportation chaos, power outages, and agricultural losses. The severity of the storms led to concerns about food and energy supplies. 1999 North American Blizzard, USA and Canada. Details: the 1999 North American blizzard brought heavy snowfall and strong winds to the eastern United States and parts of Canada. The storm disrupted transportation, caused power outages, and resulted in fatalities due to traffic accidents and exposure to the elements. 2013 European Winter Storm, Emma. Details: Winter Storm, Emma, hit parts of Europe in 2013, particularly affecting the United Kingdom and Ireland. Heavy snowfall and strong winds led to widespread transportation disruptions, power outages, and the cancellation of thousands of flights. 2010 North American Blizzard, USA. Details: the 2010 North American blizzard, also known as Snowmageddon and Snowpocalypse, brought heavy snow and strong winds to the mid-Atlantic and northeastern United States. The storm led to significant travel disruptions, including the closure of major airports and highways. 2014 Winter Storm, Hercules, USA. Details: Winter Storm, Hercules, impacted the northeastern United States in 2014, bringing heavy snowfall and cold temperatures. The storm resulted in travel disruptions, power outages, and dangerously low wind chills. 2018 Inches Beast from the East, Europe. Details: the Beast from the East was a severe cold wave that affected Europe in 2018. Cold air from Siberia combined with Storm Emma to bring heavy snowfall and freezing temperatures to several European countries, causing transportation disruptions and fatalities. 1972 Iran Blizzard. Details: the 1972 Iran blizzard is one of the deadliest blizzards on record. The storm struck northern Iran, leading to massive snowdrifts and avalanches. The disaster resulted in an estimated 4,000 to 10,000 deaths. 2008 Siberian Blizzard, Russia. Details: in 2008, a powerful Siberian blizzard affected large parts of Russia, including Moscow. Heavy snowfall and strong winds disrupted transportation, caused power outages, and resulted in several fatalities due to accidents and exposure. Blizzards and snowstorms can have severe impacts on communities, particularly in regions unaccustomed to heavy snowfall. Adequate preparedness measures, including weather forecasting, emergency response plans, and communication strategies, are essential to minimizing the dangers posed by these extreme weather events.